Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a purple smoky eye look, something you can try for Diwali or for the wedding season after that. So let's get started. I'm going to start with foundation first. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, which is my current favorite foundation. This is something that gives you a really natural glow. It's not too high on the coverage, it just makes your skin look like skin, but just with an even more radiant finish. I love this foundation. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using the brow pencil by LA Colors. Just going to fill them up and use the spoolie on the other end to brush the hair into place. Starting with the eyes, I'm going to use this cream eyeshadow by NYX, and this is a very vibrant violet color. I'm using this as a base all over the lid as well as along my lower lash line. I'm then going to use this Kajal by MAC. This is a new launch and I love this for a smoky look because this has that very smudgy sort of a quality. It blends really easily, so it's perfect for creating a really intense smoky eye. I'm using this along my waterlines as well as the upper lash line. Next, I'm going to take this purple shadow from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette and just do a light wash over it just to set that cream eyeshadow. Going in with mascara, I'm going to go with 2 coats on the top as well as the bottom lashes. I'm also going to add a pair of false eyelashes later, but you can skip those, it's totally up to you. For contouring, I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I love the color because this is just the right cool toned brown for my complexion. It looks very natural, gives you a really nice natural looking shadow. For blush, I'm using this one by KIKO, which is a nice cool toned pink. It matches really well with that purple color I have on the eyes. For the highlight, I'm using 2 of the shades from this ColourPop highlighter palette and just applying those lightly along my cheekbones. Then for the lips, I'm going to use a nude peachy pink color by Isadora first, and I'm going to top it up with a gloss. This one is from the brand Australis. You can get this from Nykaa, and I love this color. It's a very pretty pink. I'm using it all over the lips, and that is the final finished look. Purple can be a nice departure from the usual browns and neutral colors, and it actually works really well on the Indian skin. If you try this look out, let me know how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.